Hey guys, it's a gloomy afternoon and I'm currently here at University of San Carlos North Campus for a little talk to students about blogging tips, and yeah, wish me luck.
Now, we will be awarding our token and certificate to Mr. Estrada as a sign of gratitude and behalf of the university. Let me read the citation. University of San Carlos North Campus Basic Education Department, General Maxwell Avenue, Cebu City. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Mr. John Estrada in grateful acknowledgement of his knowledge, skills, and invaluable service as guest speaker. During the conduct of the CLT month celebration, forum on responsible blogging and tips for beginners of the University of San Carlos North Campus, discovering careers, creating opportunities, technological advancement, held on February 19, 2017 at USC North Campus, General Maxwell Avenue, Cebu. Given this 90th day of January 2017 at Cebu City Buildings, signed by Ms. Melody F. Obares, subject teacher, Mrs. Suzette E. Sala, subject area coordinator, and Ms. Janet A. Fernandez, principal, University of San Carlos North Campus. This will be awarded by Mrs. Suzette E. Sala, subject area coordinator.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm just done with my talk, and yeah, yay! Thank you very much, USC North Campus, and some of my students. Bye guys. See you. Bye. And thank you to Ma'am Jollibee for the invite. Yes. Bye guys.